Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what to check first on a slow PC. Once someone says the machine is slow, the next mistake beginners often make is going straight into random fixes. They uninstall things randomly, they run 14 different cleanup tools, they change a bunch of settings without a plan, and they just hope something works. Well, that usually just wastes time. A better approach is to look at the most common and most likely bottlenecks first. When I think about a slow PC, some of the first areas I want to think about look like this: the type of storage drive, how much memory the system has, what apps are currently loading at startup, how cluttered is the software environment, and whether the machine shows signs of general neglect with excessive dust or debris or dirt. So let's break that down. First, let's look at the storage situation. A lot of older PCs still use traditional hard drives, and that alone can make a machine feel painfully slow by today's modern standards. Second, peek at the programs starting up in the startup list. If too many apps and background tools launch every single time the computer starts, the machine can feel sluggish before the user even begins working. Thirdly, let's address any junk software and clutter. Some machines are packed with bundled apps, trial programs, fake cleaner tools, duplicate security softwares, and all kinds of other unnecessary junk. Fourth, do you see any signs of general neglect? Dust, dirt, grime, all these things can choke a computer's airflow. Sometimes the system is low on free space, outdated, dusty, overloaded, and simply hasn't been maintained. Again, this does not mean every slow PC gets the same answer. It means that these are the smart places to begin looking. And that's really what troubleshooting is, not necessarily knowing the answer instantly, but knowing where to start. You want to build the habit of saying, before I do anything dramatic, let me check the biggest and most likely causes first. That mindset alone will save a lot of wasted effort. It also helps you avoid overcomplicating things because many slow PC complaints come down to a handful of repeated patterns: older or dying storage, startup clutter, junk software, browser junk, low storage space, excessive heat, or even outdated hardware. All these things line up with a slow machine. This is why tune-up and diagnostic works often overlap. You're not just cleaning up a PC, you're trying to understand what is the most likely cause dragging it down. So instead of starting everywhere, start with the most likely bottlenecks first.